is my first visit as the minister now, but I was here before, so 3 years ago. So I know the island a little bit, but well, it's a beautiful island, and you know the nature is very beautiful. But I also see the challenges here, and that is what I saw today. We spoke to many organizations, many people. And it is hard for people here to make a living, especially because the cost of living are very high, but also because the income situation is not always good. And that's something that, well, in a way touched me in what I saw today.
The information that you received today and what you saw and the people you spoke to, do you think you have gathered enough information and impressions to take back to the Netherlands to help out Saba and to work together to solve these issues that Saba have?
Well, it's very important, especially as a minister, but well, in general, I think to see with your own eyes what the situation is, because you know when you read it in all the papers I get, you don't really feel what it is, and that is what I saw today, and that I felt it today actually, what it is to on the one hand that you work, like that you have maybe 2 or 3 jobs, and on the other hand you even still can pay your bills. So we know that as a government we have to do something on also the cost side of living, but I also especially want to look what I can do on the income side also. So for the child support and also for the social minimum discussion. So I'm really committed to take steps forward to make at least the problems a bit less for the